A wonderful morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your maths online class. Students, today I'm going to start a new chapter named Time. Children, how do you come to know that this is the time to go to the school? Or this is the time to watch your favorite cartoon? By looking the clock only. By looking the clock, you can find that this is the time to go to school or this is the time to watch your favorite cartoon. Children, first of all, I want to explain the different part of the clock. Just see. This is a clock. The flat surface of the clock is called the face of the clock. This is the face of the clock as we have. Okay, just the way we have a face, like same a clock also has face. Okay, on the face of the clock you can see numerals from 1 to 12. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, you can see here numerals are written 1 to 12. But it has a short hand and a long hand. Just like we have two hands, clock also has two hands. A long hand here, this is the short hand, and here that is the long hand. Short hand, long hand. Short hand of the clock indicate the hours, while the long hand indicates the minutes. This is the short hand, it shows hour, and this is the long hand, it shows minutes. Okay, now look at this clock. Here, as you can see, this clock, in this clock, the long hand is pointing at 12 and the short hand is pointing at 5. It means it is 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Sorry, the short hand is at 5 and the long hand is pointing towards 12. Short hand at 5 and long hand is at 12. That means it is 5 o'clock. Children, do you know the meaning of o'clock? Why it is written as O 4 or 5 or 6 o'clock? Okay, 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Why it is written like that? O'clock. So, the meaning of o'clock is that of the clock. That means here in this clock, it is 5 o'clock. The time is 5 o'clock. It means 5 of the clock. Okay. Now, here in this clock, the short hand is pointing towards 3 and the long hand is pointing towards 12. It means it is what the time is? It is 3 o'clock. Short hand is at 3 and long hand is at 12. Means it is 3 of the clock. Means 3 o'clock. Okay. Now let's take a look here. In first clock, what we have seen here, we have seen that the short hand is at 1 and the long hand is at 12. It means it is 1 o'clock. Here in this clock, the short hand is at 2 and long hand is at 12. It means it is 2 o'clock. Here the short hand is at 3 and the long hand is pointing towards 12. It means it is 3 o'clock. Here again 4, short hand is at 4 and the long hand is pointing towards 12. It means it is 4 o'clock. Here the short hand is at 5 and the long hand is at 12. It means it is 5 o'clock. Here in this clock, short hand is at 6 and the long hand is at 12. It means it is 6 o'clock. Here 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and here 11 o'clock. And here in this clock, the time is 12. Not 12 o'clock. 12 only. Okay, not 12 o'clock. Why it is not written as 12 o'clock? We are going to discuss in next video. Okay, why it is only 12 noon or 12 midnight. Okay, we never write o'clock with 12. Okay, now, so the students, when the time is in full hour or o'clock, it means the long hand points towards 12 always. Okay, 12 always. When the long hand is at 12 and the short hand is placed anywhere, that means it is o'clock timing. Okay, so students, that's enough for today. Wait for another video. Till then, bye bye.